On Armistice Day, Monday, the 11th day of this, the 11th month, at the 11th hour, Americans all over our land and people all over our world pause to commemorate the 95th anniversary of the signing of the peace treaty that ended our First World War. Now known as Veterans Day, today we keep in mind all veterans, many of whom died in war, that we might live in peace. Here in Needham, we remembered the occasion with a moving memorial service fittingly held at Memorial Park before the biggest crowd in many years. Elsewhere in town, at healthcare centers and assisted living facilities, veterans recalled and shared their own war experience, and they listened to poems composed by Joyce Kilmer, a soldier poet killed in World War I, and articles written by famed World War II correspondent Ernie Pyle, killed in that war. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful if before every game played on any of our beautiful ball fields, players and fans alike began with a prayer of thanks to and for those who fought for the freedoms we now enjoy. May we remember them every day. Lord, be with us yet, lest we forget, lest we forget. Until next week, this is Rich Carey reminding you that at Carey's Corner, you always have someone in your corner.